Every order made in your Artfully account through any sales channel will create order details. This is the place you'll go to manage your existing sales and reservations. You'll go here to Manage Refunds, Exchanges, and Returns, Read and make notes on orders, Audit an order's history, and Resend receipts and print hard copies. In this video, we'll cover how to reach order details and the information that's contained on them. We'll cover refunds, returns, and exchanges in a separate video. You can get to order details in multiple ways, but here are two of the most common routes. The first method uses your orders report. This makes sense if you know more about the transaction type, be it tickets, memberships, passes, or donations. You'll find it by going to Orders at the top of the page and choosing the appropriate report. If the order is recent, you may find it immediately on the list, or you might have to adjust the dates to find the order you're looking for. Once you've spotted it, click on the order number to get to order details. Another method is to navigate to the order from the action feed on a People record. To get there, go to the People menu, click Search, and type in the name of the person you're looking for. Click on the person's name, and click on the order in the action feed, and select View Order Details. Once you're on order details, you'll be able to see the customer's name, the order date, and the payment type, be it cash, credit, check, or comp. In the order location field, you'll be able to see what sales channel the order was made through. If it says web, it means that the order came through the storefront or the widget. If the order location says box office or sales console, it means that one of your staff members performed the transaction through an internal sales channel, either at the door or over the phone. When a transaction gets performed through an internal sales channel, a Created By field gets added to order details, containing the name of the user who was logged in when the order was placed. If the order was made through the storefront or the widget, this field will not be there and only the customer's name will appear. The gray rectangle on the right-hand side will display the history of an order if it's undergone any returns or exchanges. We'll have more on that in our video on returns, refunds, and exchanges. You'll also be able to review and make notes on the order. There are two kinds of notes that live on order details: internal notes and special instructions. Internal notes are written by you or your staff and may either be created on order details or when conducting an internal sale through the box office or sales console. These notes will also appear on your door list when checking in guests. So if you want your check-in staff to know a ticket holder is a VIP, this is the place to add it. These notes will appear in a blue box on order details. Special instructions are optional notes written by the customer when buying tickets to an event where the producer has turned the feature on, or when making a donation to a 501c3 organization. If you turn on special instructions to ask your customers a question at checkout, their responses will be below the relevant table in a yellow box. Special instructions for tickets will also appear on your door list, so your staff will see them as guests arrive. In this case, special instructions were used to ask the customer how he heard about the event. If you need to resend a receipt to a customer, you can resend one through order details as well as print a hard copy. To resend a receipt, use the Work With button in the upper right-hand corner to print the receipt or resend one via email. A window will pop up that will let you confirm resending the receipt. If you have multiple email addresses on file for the customer, you can choose which email address to resend the receipt to through the drop-down menu. The window will default to the email address used to place the order if that email address has been deleted from the customer's record, the primary email address will be displayed instead. Before confirming the resend, make sure the customer's email address is spelled correctly to prevent a bounce back. If there are any typos, go back to update the customer's people record before resending. For information on refunds, returns, and exchanges on orders, check out the video linked in the article in our knowledge base. For any additional questions, please email us at support@artful.ly.